one of the bigger challenges I think we run into in the vision therapy field, and probably any field for that matter, is reinventing the wheel too many times. In particular, when we're bringing on new team members and when we're trying to help get people up to speed with the activities or the training procedures and protocols. And it does make it always a little bit challenging and dicey when you have, if you've got a full clinic and if someone leaves or has to transition to a different career or profession, then you're left a little bit in the lurch. One of the ways in which we've utilized NeuroVisual Trainer in order to help with this and to maybe sort of hedge the risks surrounding the training protocols is using it as a database for a lot of our activities, even the ones that aren't necessarily frequently prescribed as homework. And so I'll kind of show a couple of the things here that we've added and that you can add yourself using the software and ways in which you can use it for training. So if we take a look here, if we kind of go into just an example of here's the screen. There's a couple different activities here. For example, again, they have a number, over 100 activities available, but pegboard, as an example, is something we often don't prescribe for home training very frequently. And so this allows a nice database where we can store a video and we can store a demonstration of exactly how to perform the procedure. So it kind of becomes a little bit of a one-stop location for training your team, which is often one of the, again, biggest challenges we run into within the vision therapy field. So we've got pegboard. I think another example might be, an aperture rule. We don't frequently send this for home training, but you can see here there's a nice video with some descriptions on how to run the procedure. So if you run a grid-based program or if you run a categorical program, oculomotor accommodation activities, it become, at least for us, it's become a really nice hub where we can store video content so that as we have new team members, we, as I mentioned, don't have to reinvent the wheel. So again, lots of activities, of course, that we're going to prescribe for home training. You can do that very easily with a couple clicks, but your team can also come here as a nice organized database to learn the variety of different activities.